Hello guys, so today guys, again we have the new product here and we have a Smallrig. And guys, we have two Smallrig for your mobile, or if you are a smartphone user and if you want to use your iPhone or Samsung or any Android mobile, then we have a good cage for you, yeah, or rig. Again, we have two rigs here in Smallrig. First, we have all-in-one video kit basics 2022, and the other one is the Smallrig universal mobile phone handheld video rig kit. So I'm gonna show you the two Smallrig that we have here from your smartphone, and let's check the comparison between these two Smallrig smartphone. So yeah, first we have here the Smallrig all-in-one basic kit, which is, I think, this one. This is the basic kit that we have. Yan. All-in-one 2022 basic kit. Yan. So, actually guys, the price of this is around 29,950 Kuwaiti dinar. And, yan, if you want to put your mobile, it will be like this. And, yan, there's a screw from the top. Okay. So, any size of your mobile, guys. Yan. Okay. So, ayan. So, again, the purpose of this cage, if you want to put an external microphone, LED lights, ayan, so you can put extra accessories on your mobile. So, again, microphone, LED lights, or yan, anything else that you want to add on your smartphone device. So, again, next we have the new version, which is the and for the next cage, we have the Smallrig universal mobile phone handheld video rig kit. So this is the second rig for our smartphone. Again guys, for the second Smallrig universal mount phone holder, and you have also here your adjustment. So you have a screw here to adjust for the size of your mobile. Then done. Actually guys, it's similar with the first one, and but the price on this universal is around 39,950 Kuwaiti dinar. So so this is the second handheld that we have, or second smartphone rig. So again, the main purpose is to put more accessories on your mobile, like LED lights, or small LED lights, or small microphone. So this is a rig or a cage, so you can customize it. You can rig whatever accessories that you want on your main camera, on your main cell phone, or your mobile or smartphone. So yeah, again, microphone, LED, and etc. Whatever the accessories you want to put on your mobile or smartphone. So, and guys, I think that's it for today. Again, our product for today is the Smallrig video rig or cage or video rig. Yeah, Smallrig cage or a video rig for the smartphone. Yeah. So again, guys, if you want to check the price and availability of our product or these two Smallrig, you can visit us in our showroom, or you can check our website www.aabworld.com. All the Smallrig product is already in our website. So all the accessories from Smallrig or any Smallrig product is already there in the website. Again, www.abworld.com for the Smallrig. So yan, hanggang dito lang guys. Again, www.abworld.com, or if you want to check the physical Smallrig, or if you want to check all the Smallrig products that we have a display unit here in Symphony Megastore showroom. So all the Smallrig is already in our display. You can bring your camera, your mobile, or anything that you want, so we can rig and we can try. So again, hanggang dito lang. Thank you. And again guys, sa mga nandito sa Kuwait, kung gusto nyo manood ng Bamboo Live. Yeah, Bamboo Live tayo here in Kuwait on June 16. 2023. Tickets available now, guys. You can PM me or si Robert Palaboy FW sa mga gusto mong mag-avail ng ticket. Meron tayo dito at syempre, yun, kay Palaboy OFW din. So, yan. Hanggang dito lang, guys. Thank you and again, Smallrig.